Okay, this is the third and last sheet of the day. This is adding and subtracting and multiplying polynomials. If you look at number 1, here's where we're just adding and subtracting. In this case, we have an addition sign in the middle, so we're going to add. So we take the n to the third over here and we match it up with another n to the third. This is where we're not adding the exponents. They're going to stay the same. We're just going to add the numbers. So that's 1n to the third and 3n to the third. So that gives us 4n to the third. Over here we look and we have n here and 8n here. So n plus 8n is going to give us 9n. That's 1n and then 8n. That gives us 9n. Then I have a negative 2 plus a positive 1. This is where we got to be careful with our negatives and make sure we get that right. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So we end up with 4n to the third plus 9n minus 1. So we're trying to pair up our numbers, combine the like terms. So if you can find an n cubed and an n cubed, an n squared and an n squared, an n and an n, and then numbers, you can add them together. Otherwise, you cannot add them together. So you have to make sure they have the same power if you want to add those together. At the bottom, we're doing what we just did pretty recently in our trinomial. So this is the box method, but instead of 4 boxes, again, 9 boxes to go through. So we put 7x squared, 3x, and 6 at the top of our box. We're going to put 3x squared, negative 2x, and 4 on the side of our box. And we will multiply into those boxes. 7x squared and 3x squared is 21x to the 4th. If I go to the last box, 6 times 4 is 24. Now remember, when we finish all those boxes, there will be some diagonals to add together. These boxes will need to be all added together, these boxes, and these boxes. So when you finish multiplying into those boxes, you have to add them together so that it reduces to your final answer. Okay? And that is how we work through the box method and multiplying trinomials. So that is adding and subtracting and multiplying polynomials, which is the last sheet of the day for Thursday in our Chapter 4 review.